Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Here Again by Elevation Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Before we get into things, I want to let you know I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything that you need to know. But if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, I've got a free PDF down in the description below for you. It's called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where you can learn even more advanced guitar chords that you can start implementing into your playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Can't go back to the beginning. Can't control what tomorrow will bring, but I know here in the middle is the place where you promised to be. I'm not enough unless you come. Would you meet me here again? All I want is all you are. Would you meet me here again? Yeah. As I walk now through the valley, let your love rise above every fear, like the sun shaping the shadows. In my weakness your glory appears. Not enough unless you come. Would you meet me here again? All I want is all you are. Would you meet me here again? Was I forsaken? The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Come, Holy Spirit, dry bones awaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Not for a minute was I forsaken. The Lord is in this place. Come, Holy Spirit, dry bones awaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Yeah, I'm not enough unless you come. Would you meet me here again? 'Cause all I not enough unless you come. Would you meet me here again? All I want is all you are. Would you meet me here again? Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Here Again by Elevation Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, just a quick reminder again, if you liked those advanced guitar chords that you learned all throughout this tutorial and you want to learn even more of them to continue to improve your guitar playing, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. You'll learn even more advanced guitar chords that you can substitute for those boring G, D, C, E minor chords that you've been playing. You can level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.